You don't have to love me. You don't even have to like me. But you will respect me, cause I'm a boss.
Hey guys, my name is Myeisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a hair revival video. So without further ado, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And please don't forget to turn the post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified. This wig has already been previously customized by me. I will post the 2 other videos in the description box, so stay tuned for that. And it doesn't look bad. I did it about a year or 2 ago. So the first thing you need to do is wet the hair so that way it's easier to detangle and to manage. I'm going to take my Aussie Moist conditioner and I'm just going to apply it in sections and detangle out the hair with my fingers. Okay, so now it's time to rinse out the hair with warm water. Next step is to brush all throughout the hair. I'm going to blow dry the hair because I don't want the hair and the lace to leak through when I'm tinting it. So now I'm going to spray my Eben lace tint spray in the color medium brown, and I'm going to spray it all into the parting section. Try your best not to get the spray onto the hair because, you know, it could stain it, the color wise. Next, I'm just going to take my Got2b free spray. And I'm just gonna spray it all in a parting space. That way we make sure the color actually sticks to the hair. And one more time, you're gonna spray the lace tint spray all throughout the parting space. Make sure you are checking the parting space because sometimes the lace tint spray does take a while to dry. So that is why I'm blow drying it. I usually do this whole process the night before, but I don't have much time right now. So all I'm doing is cutting off the little band in the front. You don't necessarily have to do this because it does have like an elastic band in the back of the hair, but I just wanted the front to be like laid down. Typically, I don't do the ball cap method. I feel like it's too much work, and then behind the ears, I always mess up, so I'm just not even gonna do that today. When you are cutting a band in the front, you want to make sure you cut these extra little strings because if not, it will be in the way when it's time to glue it down. Just try to be extra careful that you don't cut the net. So right here, I'll be spraying the Got2b glue spray. You want to make sure it's not on your hairline but above it. That way you don't break off your hair due to like glue damage or anything. I don't know about y'all, but I like to keep my edges. I'm not here for the, you know, the trends for all this extra stuff that people be doing. Next step, I'm going to fan the glue down. You can use a blow dryer, but I feel like it's more effective to use your hands because the blow dryer do dry it pretty fast. And you want to get this section tacky. So I'm going to spray it again once it is dry. And then I'm going to feel to make sure it's tacky. I usually do like 2 or 3 coats. For the people in the back, tacky means somewhat dry, but then somewhat sticky. So now we're going to put the hair where we glue it at. It's best to do it side by side. Do one side first, then the other side. As you can see, I did a pretty good job tinting the lace, and I actually did a pretty good job plucking the hairline. I did do all of this in another video. I will link all the videos on how to do your wig in the description box, so please pay attention to that. The other video is way more detailed than this one. This one is just a quick video. And I won't be using a filter or anything because I want you to see how amazing this parting space freaking looks. At this point, you're gonna tie a plastic wrap or a scarf around your hairline, and you're just gonna leave it on for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I also have a skincare routine. I will link it in the description box. It's a really good one, so please check it out. So I'm taking off the cap and I notice there's pieces sticking up. I do fix it later on in the video, but right now I'm using scissors to hold it down a little bit and hoping that that helps. And this is just a reminder that Got2b glue is just a temporary use glue. It's not a long-term glue, so it's only gonna last a couple days. So now I'm taking my Cream of Nature coconut curling milk and I'm just gonna apply it to the hair. To me, it looks more natural when you pluck in a zigzag line versus in a straight line. It looks so much better. So now it's time to brush the hair just to make sure there isn't any extra kinks hanging around, because we do not want this to look tacky when you go out. So I'm going to show you the back of the hair quickly. This is a 10-inch hair, but since it's curly, it does shrink up. So when it stretch, it might be like 11 to 12. So I put the wrap on to hold the hairline and fix the little pieces that were sticking up. So I'm just going to show you how it looks. It looks 20 times better. You don't really see any pieces sticking up. And this is good enough to go out on a date night or whatever. I actually went to the beach. So I'm done with my hair and I'm just gonna apply coconut oil out there at my face because my face looked pretty dry right now. I'm gonna take my Too Faced chocolate bar and I'm gonna take this mocha color and I'm just gonna apply it to my eyelids. So now I'm taking my NYX Ginger Snap lip gloss and I'm just gonna apply it to my lips. This is my favorite lip gloss. It's not only moisturizing, but the color looks amazing and natural. That's the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and please don't forget to turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified.